Now today we are going to perform here the experiment of travelling microscope. Our aim is to determine the refractive index of a glass slab using travelling microscope. Apparatus required are a glass slab, travelling microscope, lycopodium powder. Basically, the theory first we have to understand here that refractive index is real depth upon apparent depth. That is R3 minus R1 upon R3 minus R2. Now let us see the apparatus over here. This is the travelling microscope. It is a compound microscope. We can see here that there is a vertical scale. You can see here this is a vertical scale over here on which this travelling microscope is mounted. There is also a horizontal scale over here, and we can see these are the screws just to adjust its level. So first of all we will adjust its level, then we have to take out the least count of this scale. Now if we look over here, there is a vernier scale and there is a main scale. So we have to find out the least count of the vernier scale. So how to find the least count? We can see here that its least count can be done. First we have to count the number of divisions. Just if we focus over here, we can see that here the readings are starting from 0, 9.4 till 10. And from here again the readings are from 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on like this. If I want to take the least count over here, then how to do this? We can see in between 0 and 1 there are how many divisions? There are 10 divisions over here. Now this 10 division coincides with its 9 division. So how to find its least count? What will be its least count? Its least count will be 0.001 centimeter. This we have already done previously to find the least count. Now how to start the experiment over here? What is the experiment? We have to find the refractive index of this glass slab. What is the method? First of all we take a piece of paper. Then we put a cross mark over here. Afterwards, we have to keep this piece of paper with the cross mark on the bottom of the microscope. After that, we have to adjust the screws and we have to focus it properly so that we may see the cross mark. After focusing it properly, from the screws over here, we take the readings from the scale over here. We count the vernier scale reading as well as the main scale reading. So how to find that? That observation table will be written over there. First reading you can see over here. We have to see which one is best coinciding and which reading is coinciding over here. So it is here 4.5 and which one is best coinciding we have to see with a magnifying glass, and then we will find the total reading over this side. Now next what we have to do, we will put the glass slab over here and the same procedure will be done. Again we have to adjust this knob and we will see the cross mark over here. After seeing the cross mark clearly over here, we will again take the reading from this vertical scale. Now this is the next set of reading. After that what we have to do, we will sprinkle some lycopodium powder over the glass slab. Slight lycopodium powder. And the same procedure, again we will have to focus this and see the cross mark. After watching the cross mark, again we will be taking the reading from this scale. Now we are having three sets of reading. We are having R1, we are having R2 and we are having R3. R1 was without the slab, R2 is with the slab and R3 is when I have sprinkled the lycopodium powder. Now we will be writing the observation table and then the calculation will be done for the refractive index. Now observation table we can write out which we have taken the readings just now. First serial number, the reading on vertical scale when microscope is focused on. First up is cross mark without glass slab. Just we had put a cross mark and we took the reading. R1 equals to 4.397 centimeter. Now cross mark with the glass slab. R2 4.991 centimeter. Now next cross mark with lycopodium powder which we sprinkled on the glass slab, and that is 6.455 centimeter. Next we have to find the real thickness and the apparent thickness to determine the refractive index. So real thickness is R3 minus R1 which is 2.058, 6.455 minus 4.397, that is 2.058 centimeter. Apparent thickness R3 minus R2, 6.455 centimeter minus 4.991 centimeter, which comes out to be 1.464 centimeter. Now the formula for refractive index is nu equals to R3 minus R1 upon R3 minus R2. We just put the values and get this answer. Now this is one set of reading. The same procedure we can carry on for the second set and the third set. And lastly, we will take the mean of the three refractive index and we get the value of refractive index of the glass slab. So this is a method which we use to find the refractive index with the help of travelling microscope. What is the advantage of it? We get the accurate value. Accuracy is very important over there. But as in all the experiments, here also there are some precautions which we should follow during taking the readings. And the precautions are, firstly, that we should take the readings in a very proper manner. This vertical scale reading, we have to focus the microscope properly and then only we can take the reading. Here we should know the least count, then we have to calculate the vertical scale reading. After that, of course, calculations are there. These calculations should be done in a proper manner. And while taking the reading, we should use magnifying glass so that there is no error in taking the readings. So finally, we get the value of refractivity.